Ever seen those striking triple-tone posters with bold reds, deep blues, and crisp whites? Let's replicate the effect. Open your image in Photoshop. Convert it into a smart object. Right-click the layer, convert to smart object. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Set the amount between 10 to 15%. Adjust based on your image. Navigate to the Adjustments panel and select Threshold. Drag the slider slightly left to create white spots while keeping key areas recognizable. Select all layers and group them. Ctrl+G. Duplicate this group. Ctrl+J. Select the duplicate, go to the Adjustments panel, and add a gradient map. Start with a red gradient. Change the red group's blending mode to multiply. Now adjust the threshold value slightly to cover the white spots with the red pattern. Copy the red group again, reset its blending mode to normal. Change the gradient color to blue. Change this blue group's blending mode to darken color. Modify the threshold value until it looks balanced. Optional. Add a solid color adjustment layer with the multiply blending mode for additional depth. Your poster is ready. Click on the link in the description and hit subscribe button to learn more tips like this.